Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful PowerPoint template slideshow. So let me show you. I have given different transitions to these PowerPoint templates. By the way, you can download these templates for free from the link in the description below. And after clicking on that link, what you have to do is that a screen opens in front of you, and in that, you're going to be asked a question, and that is, what's the code? And next to it is a blank space in which you're going to type out the code that I have given in this video, and it is pretty simple and it is clearly to be seen. So watch the video till end if you want to know about the code. So what you have to do is just type in the code and you'll be given the link to this PowerPoint template for free. I have also given the instructions in the description. So you can also check out the description to check out the steps that you have to do to download this template. By the way, you can also edit this template after downloading it. So this is the first template of this PowerPoint presentation. And in transitions, I have given it this orbit transition. And moving on to the second template, this is about us template in which we're going to write about whatever our company is about. And for this one, I'm also going to give it one transition, which is the conveyor transition. Go to third template and it also have the same transition of conveyor transition. So I have just added some simple shapes, and after giving the transition it looks super cool. So for this one, this is the fourth template and I have given it the fly through animation. And for this animation, I have all given it the other animation, the other transition. And this is the template in which we're going to show about the our team members, and this is the next template which shows different aspects, and this is about our future products. And you can also like change these images by simply clicking on the shapes and going to format shape, and from there inserting your own images. You can also use this template for educational and commercial purposes if you want. It's free to use, and that's all you have to know about this one. And you can also edit this. So moving on to the next slide, this is the final slide, and this includes our connecting data that we have, that from which the employer can use this to connect from us, and it has all the information. So a total of 9 slides, and these are free to download, so please be sure to check out the description. And that's all for today. Meet you in another video soon.